And we've got big news coming in at this point with regards to the Renuka Swami murder case in Karnataka that has taken a sensational turn after actor Darshan's arrest. Actor Pavitra Gowda has also been arrested here. This makes the second high-profile arrest from Sandalwood in the important case of Renuka Swami's murder at this point, and that is the big development coming in. Let me go across to my colleague Neha, who's joining us live from the ground. Neha, big developments coming in. Take our views through what has happened.
Well, yes, in fact, we know we're now picking up that it's not just actor Darshan, but actor Pavitra Gowda also who's been arrested in this case. This is quite imperative here because of the manner in which, the fast-paced developments in this case is going on to shock the entire state of Karnataka. Actor Darshan and Pavitra Gowda, along with the others suspected accused over here in this case, who are, in fact, being grilled at the Annapurneshwari Nagar police station in Bengaluru right now, of course, will have a lot of answers here to give to the police. Remember, this is quite imperative now because this is a really high-profile case that we're looking at. It's not one, but the involvement of two actors over here. And was it merely because of a couple of social media posts that this person by name Renuka Swami, in fact, was murdered, is a big question that's currently being probed right now by the police. A little while earlier, of course, we did manage to speak with the Home Minister as well, our colleague there, going on to confirm the arrest of actor Darshan. But the biggest question that arises right now is, was this a planned murder that was done at the behest of, actor Darshan or actor Pavitra Gowda for that matter? The victim here, Renuka Swami, who's of course lost his life there. His body was retrieved in quite a gruesome condition in Kamakshipalya area of Bengaluru. And following, of course, the retrieval of his body, we're seeing that a case was booked there. There were many unknown people, in fact, of course, who were suspected to be involved in this crime.